Hello friends, welcome to my channel Immortal Soldier. Today's topic is India-Bangladesh relations in 2021. Let's begin. India and Bangladesh shares a border of 4096.7 kilometers and 5 Indian states touching this border. These 5 states are West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. Bangladesh War of Independence 1971. Before 1971, Bangladesh was known as East Pakistan. But with the efforts of Indian Army and Mukti Bahini, Bangladesh got liberated in 1971 and became an independent country. On 16 December every year, to mark India's victory over Pakistan in the 1971 war, they celebrate Vijay Divas. The government of India on 3rd December 1971 declared that it would go for war with Pakistan to save Bengali Muslims and Hindus. This war was fought between India and Pakistan for 13 days. And on 16 December 1971, the chief of Pakistani forces with 93,000 soldiers had surrendered unconditionally to the allied forces consisting of Indian Army and Mukti Bahini in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Mukti Bahini refers to the armed organization that fought against the Pakistani army during the Bangladesh Liberation War. It was a guerrilla resistance movement. Bangladesh was born on this day, hence Bangladesh celebrates its Independence Day on 16 December every year, also known as Bijoy Divas. India and Bangladesh relations. India was one of the first countries to recognize Bangladesh and establish diplomatic relations immediately after its independence in December 1971. We cooperate with each other in defense and other aspects. Let's discuss defense cooperation. Various joint exercises of Army and Navy took place between both the countries. Army exercise named Sampriti and naval exercise named Milan. Border management. India and Bangladesh share 4096.7 kilometers of border, which is the longest land boundary that India shares with any of its neighbors. India and Bangladesh Land Boundary Agreement (LBA) came into force following the exchange of instruments of ratification in June 2015. Cooperation over rivers. India and Bangladesh share 54 common rivers. A bilateral joint rivers commission has been working since June 1972 to maintain liaison between the two countries to maximize benefits from common river systems. Economic relations. Bangladesh is India's biggest trade partner in South Asia. India's export to Bangladesh for financial year 2018-19 stood at 9.21 billion US dollars and imports from Bangladesh for the same period stood at 1.22 billion US dollars. Bangladesh has appreciated the duty-free and quota-free access given to Bangladeshi exports to India under South Asian Free Trade Agreement since 2011. Cooperation in connectivity. Both countries jointly inaugurated the newly restored railway link between Haldibari, located in India, and Chilahati, located in Bangladesh. Welcome the signing of second addendum to the Protocol on Inland Water Transit and Trade. Both the countries agreed to an early operationalization of the Bangladesh-Bhutan, India-Nepal Initiative Motor Vehicles Agreement. It's important. BBIN. Its full form is Bangladesh Bhutan India-Nepal Initiative Motor Vehicles Agreement through the expeditious signing of enabling Memorandum of Understanding for Bangladesh, India, and Nepal to commence the movement of goods and passengers, with provision for Bhutan to join at a later date. Cooperation in power sector. This has become one of the hallmarks of India-Bangladesh relations. Bangladesh is currently importing 1160 megawatts of power from India. Partnership on multilateral forms. India thanked Bangladesh for supporting India in its election to UNSC, United Nations Security Council. Both countries agreed to continue working together towards achieving early reforms on the UNSC, combating climate change, attainment of sustainable development goals, and protection of rights of migrants. Also highlighted that regional organizations such as SAARC, BIMSTEC have an important role to play. Bangladesh thanked India for convening the SAARC leaders video conference in March 2020 and for creation of SAARC Emergency Response Fund to counter effects of the global pandemic in South Asian region. Bangladesh will assume chairmanship of Indian Ocean Rim Association in 2021 and requested the support of India for working towards greater maritime safety and security. Recent developments. Recently, India and Bangladesh signed 7 agreements and also inaugurated 3 projects to deepen their partnership. The use of Chattogram and Mongla ports in Bangladesh for movement of goods to and fro from India, particularly from northeastern India. Use of Bangladesh Feni River for drinking water supply in Tripura. Further areas of cooperation. The two countries need to focus on priority areas such as investments, security, connectivity development, cross-border energy cooperation, blue economy, cultural economy, environment, and disaster management. And also they need to resolve the refugee Rohingyas crisis. During COVID-19, reiterating the highest priority, India attaches to Bangladesh under India's Neighbourhood First policy. India assured that vaccines for COVID-19 would be made available to Bangladesh as and when produced in India. India also offered collaboration in therapeutics and partnership in vaccine production. There are also some emerging disputes between India and Bangladesh. There should be efforts to resolve pending issues concerning sharing of waters, resolving continental shelf issues in the Bay of Bengal, bringing down border incidents to zero, and managing the media. Bangladesh has already raised concern over rollout of NRC, National Register of Citizens in Assam, an exercise carried out to identify genuine Indian citizens living in Assam and weed out illegal Bangladeshis. Currently, Bangladesh is an active partner of the Belt and Road Initiative that Delhi has not signed up to. In the security sector, Bangladesh is also a major recipient of Chinese military inventory, including submarines. That's all for today. Jai Hind. Please do like, share, and subscribe.